Well, I've been having one hell of a time getting this FT-757 working. The finals seem like they're intermittent as far as the output power. So it seems like there's a circuit that's not conducting in this thing. So I pulled this thing out, the final board again, and did the nuclear option on it. I resoldered pretty much every connection on the bottom of this thing. Did what I could on top of it as far as the transistors, soldered all the different connections on these, look for shorts, look for opens. I have no idea what's up with this thing, but tracing the high power from this comes off this relay. So let's go through how the high power works. So the current will come off this relay. And let's orient ourselves here. Here's the input to the relay here from the terminal lug with the red wire. And it just comes out, and there's that's the one that keys the relay, pulls it in. And one of these got to be ground. Anyway, I guess it's ground, but it basically, when it closes, it'll put 12 volts VCC basically into here. Now there's a fusible link right here. If you look at the fusible link, there's the fusible link right there. So that fusible link will jump from the relay, which is here, across. And then the high power goes directly into the final amplifier transistors, into the matching transformer. But I noticed here they have some type of interconnection, but they didn't have any real wires or anything through here. I'm not sure how this is supposed to connect to the transformer above. So I did put some resistor wire through there. And, well, you can't really see it, but I did put 2 wires up through there, so maybe that will cure whatever short I had or open. And it looks like it conducts through this little pipe here, so I basically soldered these up well, and it comes through here. You want to make sure this is soldered well here on this little circuit piece here, and then it comes down through the circuit board to the finals. So I tried to make sure all this was copacetic, and now I'm going to try this thing into the radio again. I guess I'm going to put the original relay back in. This one's from China. It could be a copy. I don't know. I'm just tired of taking this board in and out. So I did take the original relay apart, and I cleaned it up. So here's the original one. You can tell it's a different kind of sheen to it. And the original has a amperage rating of 10 amps on it. So 10 amps at 250 is probably, who knows, at 12 volts, maybe it's 30 amps or something, I don't know. But that's what this thing needs. This relay, made in Japan, probably made in China. So it might be legitimate, might not be, I don't know. It doesn't really have a good sound to it when it keys. It sounds tinny. So anyway, I'm going to put the original one back in and put the board back in for the 5th time, 6th time, who knows. See if this thing will run in a stable way, or maybe I've wrecked it entirely by making a short and it will never run again. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.